Hey guys, it's Lady Lay. So today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of my Hobonichi Techno 2021. It is my first time getting this planner and I've been waiting for it for a long time. So, surprise! Here it is, and as you can see, I didn't just get one, but I got two. And the reason why I got two is because one is for me and one is for you. That's right, I'm giving one away, and I'm opening mine so that I can show you just how beautiful this planner is. The pages are incredible to flip through. I'm not even kidding you. It's elegant and it is just amazing. Pages are soft, and just look at how these pages flip and slide through my hands. So they have sections that it starts off kind of monthly, and then from there's a weekly spread that goes from 5 a.m. to 4 a.m. of the next day. And then from there you have your daily spreads, and so the daily spreads also have a small timetable on the top left corner, followed by some Japanese text at the bottom, which looks very elegant. The best thing about this planner is that if you're used to coiled, it does lay flat. So I actually don't mind this, although I'm more of a coiled planner person, and it's not terribly thick. I mean, if you're gonna start putting stuff in it, then it might get a little bit thicker, but as you can see, the pages are so soft. The planner does bend a little bit, and it really is a elegant, put together planner. So that's one thing that I absolutely love about that. Again, this is an international giveaway, so please read the details at the bottom of my video or come visit me on Instagram at HeyLadyLay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!